Okay, we're starting our final review. Solve the equation for x. Okay, so you make a wall. What are your only one operation? It's a plus, so you take it out by subtracting it. Okay, no multiplying, no dividing. Negative 5.6 minus 7.2 is negative 12.8. Okay, 35 equals negative 5x, so x is over here. So between the 5 and the x, we don't have an operation, so it means times. Now I like to circle times, okay? And if I have a times, I need to get rid of that by dividing by negative 5. Equals, put your x behind it. 35 divided by negative 5 is negative 7. Okay, negative 14 equals negative 5 plus 3x. Now x is over here. There's two operations. You got a plus and 3 and x is your times. So before you divide, you have to take out your negative 5. That has to go first. So I'd add 5 to take that to 0. So negative 14 plus 5 is negative 9, and then we have 3 times x. Then you have times, so you're going to divide. Negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. Okay, 20 minus 3x equals 2. So 20 and 3 is a minus. I like plus negative better. 3 and x is times, so you highlight the times. So you have two operations on this side. You got to take out your 20 first by subtracting 20. 2 minus 20 is negative 18, and then you have negative 3 times x. Okay. Then you take out the times by dividing. Pretty easy. Negative 18 divided by negative 3 is 6. Okay, next problem. We have 9x plus 6 minus 3x equals 45. Well, we have two different x terms. Those need to be combined somehow. They're on the same side. So if they're on the same side, you connect them and you add, but you got to make the 3 a plus negative. If one of those has a minus in front of it, it's a negative. Okay? Don't just take 9 plus 3. 9 plus negative 3 is 6, 6x. And then you have a plus 6, and now you know what your operations are you have to get rid of. So you got times and plus. So you get rid of your times by subtracting. 45 minus 6 is 39, and 6 times x. And you divide each side by 6, and that takes you to your solution. 6.5. Okay. Next one, 2 times the parentheses 1x plus negative 4 equals negative 4x plus 10. So we have to get rid of our parentheses first. So here's the plus, you drop that, then you take 2 times 1x and 2 times negative 4. So it's going to be 2x and negative 8. The other side, negative 4x plus 10. Okay, now you have x's, but they're on opposite sides. Okay, they're not on the same side like they were up there. They're on opposites. So you take one of them. It doesn't matter which one. I'll pick that one and take that to a 0 by applying the adding or subtracting property of equality. So you're going to add 4x. Add 4x there. So it's going to give us 6x. Plus negative 8 equals 10. And now we use inverse operations. So you got a times and a plus. So you get rid of the number being added. It'd be adding 8. 10 plus 8 is 18. Then you divide by 6. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. So x equals 3. Okay, now you're going to run into something here you probably haven't seen before. That's okay. 5 plus 4x equals 2 times 2x plus 1. So distribute that. So it's going to be 4x equals 2. 4x and 2. Over here you got 5 plus 4x. Now you got x's on opposite sides. Pick one to get rid of. It doesn't matter which one. Okay, I would take that by subtracting it. Now something happens here. You got your 5. 4x minus 4x is 0x. Now what do you do with a 0x? Well, if you get 0x, you take it out. And then here's what you do. You write all solution or no solution. And then you circle the one which it is. It's very easy to tell which one it is. Is 5 and 2 the same number? No, it's not the same number. For it to be equal, it has to be the same number. It's not, so that's a no solution. Okay. Okay, next one. 4x minus 10 equals 2 times, parentheses, 2x plus negative 5. So we have to get rid of the parentheses first. So 2 times 2x, 2 times negative 5. So that's 4x and negative 10. And then over here we have 4x minus 10. Okay, again, you have x's on opposite sides, so you pick one to take out. I'll take out that one. Minus 4x minus 4x. So again, 4 minus 4 is 0, so 0x minus 10 equals negative 10. Now with a 0x, you just take out the x term. And then you write all solution or no solution. Okay, this time the numbers are the same. Unlike here where I had a 5 and a 2, now it's a negative 10 and a negative 10. When they end up being the same, that's an all solution. Okay, that means any number works for x. X can be any number. Here, there doesn't exist a number for x. Okay. Okay. X divided by negative 3 plus 7 equals 4. So x on this side, you have a divide and a plus. So circle the divide. Take out the plus number just like you normally do. You have x divided by negative 3 equals negative 3. Then the opposite of divide is to times. To take out a division operation, I multiply. So I times negative 3, cancel, times negative 3, because a times and a divide of the same number cancels. And then negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Okay, next problem. 1/2 x plus 4 equals negative 6. So x is on this side. Now, you don't have a divide operation because x would be on the line if it was divide. It's a times and a plus. So you take out that, minus 4. Negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10. 1/2 times x. Then you take out the times through division by 1/2. Now you have one of two options. You can just take negative 10 divided by 1 ABC2 on a calculator, negative 20. But if you don't like that way, you can line this up. You can take negative 10 divided by 1/2. You'd put a 1 under your negative 10. Then you would make that multiplication and you'd flip it to 2 over 1. And then negative 10 times 2 is negative 20. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 20 divided by 1 is negative 20. So it's up to you which way you want to do. Okay, members of a car sharing program pay a fee of $50 per month plus $7.65 per hour they use the car. A member's bill was $149.45 last month. How many hours did the customer use the car last month? So you're finding the hours. Okay, so you got dollars and hours. Those are the two units in the problem. Months is not important. So X is hours, Y is dollars. So dollars per hour. Okay, dollars per hour is $7.65. Okay. Then I make the table because it's rate of change. Dollars is Y, hours is X. Please put the labels on here. So when I have this, I go 0, 1, 2, block it. So you started with $50. Then every hour you're adding $7.65. So that would be $57.65. Then you add $7.65. $65.30. Okay. Okay, then at the end you have $149.45. And you're going to put question mark because you're trying to find the hours that go with that. So you make your line graph equals Y at the top. So Y starts at 50. Then I'm adding 7.65 every hour. So 50 plus 7.65 times X equals Y. And then Y is equal to $149.45. So put that in for Y. Now we can solve for X. It has a plus and a times, so you take out the plus by minusing. And then 149.45 minus 50, that takes me to 99.45. And divide by 7.65. Okay. So 13 hours. Okay, next one. Membership for the Alpine Rock Climbing Gym is $125 sign-up fee plus $25 per month. Membership for Rocco's Rock Climbing Gym costs $50 for sign-up plus $30 per month. How many months will the memberships cost the same? So you're going to make your 3 boxes and the table. Might need a second table here. So you got dollars and months. X is months, Y is dollars. So per dollars per month. Well, you have 2 of them. You have $25 per month and $30 per month. So you write them separately. All that means is we're going to make 2 tables. So dollars is Y, months is X. Okay, so before the 20, so you go 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So let's talk about the $25 per month. Well, he had $125 to start with, then every month we add the 25. So plus 25, that's $150. Plus 25, that's $175. Now the $30 per month, he had $50 to start with, and we start adding 30. So 80, 110. Okay, so we make 2 lines, okay, both with equals Y. You don't put anything under the table. There's nothing to put there. Okay, so this guy started at $125, and he's adding $25 every month. So 25 times the months. This guy here starts at $50, and he's adding $30 every month, 30 times the months. Now you want to find when these are equal, okay? So what you do is you cancel the y's, you make an equation, and you put 125 plus 25 times x, put 25x, okay? But instead of equals y, you're going to look to the other line, and you're going to put 50 plus 30 times x. That'll find how many x's are equal. So you got x's on opposite sides. Pick one to get rid of. I'll pick this one. So minus 25x minus 25x. So that's 125, and that's going to be 5x plus 50, or 50 plus 5x, doesn't matter. Either way, you got times 5 and plus 50, so you take out your 50 by minusing. 125 minus 50 is 75, and then 5 times x. Then you divide by your 5, and 75 divided by 5 is 15. Okay, 15 months is how long it takes for them to be equal.